Thank you for your feedback on our new city concept design, where we showed you how you can realign by realigning everything onto the diagonal, which is the longest distance in your room. You get more space. There will be more space expansion. The fact is that when you look onto a wall, you're looking onto an X or Y, X and Y 2D plan. Whereas when you look onto the diagonal or a corner or an intersection of two walls, then you will be looking onto 3D, which is X, Y, and Z, and that is space. So whenever you're aligning everything onto the diagonal, you would be looking onto space instead. Now I would like you to go and have a walk wherever you are, in your room, in your office, in your mall, and see for yourself the space expansion and see and feel the lightness. I will give you a fact, which is this fact now, and I will show it to you on paper, and you can also experience it. So if you go to your bedroom or any room and you open the door, whenever you sit or stand or walk or sit or stand or sleep, there is a wall in your face, which is XY, a 2D plan. So whenever you stand, walk, sit, or sleep, there is a wall in your face, X, Y. Whereas if you align, the same applies in here as well. I apologize for the quality of the video and the drawings, but it was done with zero budget. The same applies for your meeting room, dining table. So you walk, it's a wall. You sit, it's also a wall. You sit here, it's a wall. Whereas if you align everything onto the diagonal, which is the longest distance, then when you stand, when you walk, it's a space expansion. You're looking onto two walls, so that's space. That's also space. And if you sleep, that's space too. The same applies to your meeting room or dining table. So if you sit here or stand or walk, you're walking into corridors where you have space anywhere you sit, anywhere you walk. There is space and not a wall in your face. So basically, this is a simple fact to show you the amount of possibilities we have when we switch into this perspective. And using biophilic design, which is connecting nature with human through design, we will get to this well-being being as a functionality. So with this in mind, I would like to open up to another perspective in your rooms as well. So let's take the example of a typical room or house. So you enter and there is partition everywhere, a wall. All the items are aligned onto alpha or beta. So you walk, there is a wall. You sit, there is a wall. You stay, there is a wall in your face. Now I would like you to imagine your house. And this is your house. Okay, but twisted. So the door is here, and then you have this. You're looking into space, and then you, of course, do your rooms in here. And also when you enter, it's space. When you enter, it's space. When you enter, it's space. Hidden doors here. When you enter, it's also space and space and space. So for us to move from rectangular into more circular shape, we need to start realigning the furniture and the appliances. And then we rethink design to collectively design a new architecture where we get out of this rectangular shape and we're more into spiral design, totally aligned with nature. So not only we're working on space and time dimension, we're also looking into a vibration which you can create through this alignment. And that's a 5D design that we're looking into. We're looking into partners to partner up and do pilots everywhere across the city. So please get in touch with us if you feel there is interest to work together. Again, we build on values, not on bottom lines. Thank you.